Know what a 2010 BMW X5 and your 45-year-old body have in common. Both need better maintenance than they did when they were new. The difference is, you take the car to a mechanic, and you take yourself to a doctor who writes statins and says, eat less. Today I'll teach you what 95% of doctors don't. How to get your 35-year-old energy back in 90 days using physiology-based protocols, not wishful thinking. We'll cover the hormones that actually change your life, why your belly keeps growing even if you're eating less, and why most over-the-counter supplements act like placebos. I'm Bella. If you'll give me 30 minutes to learn how to operate the only body you've got, stay with me. No filler, just practical steps. Here's the uncomfortable truth. After 30, testosterone drops about 1 to 2% a year, American Urological Association. By 45, you've likely lost 15 to 30% from your peak. And testosterone is only one piece of the puzzle. In 7 minutes, I'll show you a lab panel that costs about $40, but gives more useful insight than a routine physical that can run $200 or more. But first, picture a triangle. In the corners are cortisol, insulin, and testosterone. They work like connected tanks. When one rises, the others fall. That's why you can eat like a bird and still see your waistline grow. Ready? Let's get practical.